Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well, and big surprise, we've added a new subscription box to the channel. This one comes to us from ClubTac.com. And before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you ring that notification bell so you do get notified when I do release new content. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we got ClubTac. I will have a link to them in the description box of this video if you are so interested to go and check them out and subscribe to this service. They have a lot of different levels that you can subscribe to. They have a standard, which is as low as $39 a month plus shipping and handling. They have a pro box, which is $74 a month plus shipping and handling. They have a premium box, which is $124 a month plus shipping and handling. And then they have a legendary box, which is $549, but that one is only quarterly plus shipping and handling. All the other boxes are monthly. So that is kind of the lowdown on ClubTac, and we're going to see what, I can't remember which one I subscribe to. I think this one is either the pro or the premium. Hopefully there'll be a card in the box that will kind of let me know which box this is. And we got a lot of paperwork. So let's go through this real quick. Oh wait, this is the contents. Oh, I don't want to do that. Let's see, download the ClubTac app and receive a free gift. Okay, that's cool. Boy, there's a lot of stuff. All right, they give you this little card here that says welcome to ClubTac. And let's see, whether you're proactive about being prepared in life or protecting your family, we have your back. All right. Get ready to make every month a tactical Christmas. I like the way that sounds. That's the whole reason why I like getting these boxes. It's like a little gift that you get to open every single month. Let's see, what is this? Let's see, dear Commander. It's with great honor that we've officially congratulate you for achieving the new... All right, I'm a second lieutenant. All right, that's kind of cool. I guess when I was looking at the website, they do have, I guess depending on the duration that you subscribe, you get, these little, and hopefully that will focus. And if you want to check it out, you can go to their website too. All this information is on their website for all the different ranks that they have for just how long you've been a member. And let's see, what did it say I am here? It says I'm a second lieutenant, so that would mean that available at premium membership. So yes, this is a premium box. So, okay, so good. That's what this is. And on the back, they give you some, oh wow, some other little, that's kind of interesting. It's very different. I know to some people, they might not care about something like this, but these companies, it's nice to do little stuff like this to kind of set yourself apart from all of the other boxes that are out there. And they give you this little referral thing here, where they give you some money off if you refer somebody. And I'm going to tell you, they went all out with the packing material. Check out the little things of air, the little cushion air packing material. Actually has ClubTac.com on it. That's pretty cool. I've never really seen that before. All right, so let's see what we got. First item is some Gorilla Tape to go. It is a 1-inch roll. It is 30 feet long, and I'll tell you what, this is awesome to throw in your backpack or your to-go bag, because or your get home bag, your gonna go here bag, your car bag, whatever bag you want to call it. This stuff is really good because it's, I use Gorilla Tape all around my house, but the problem is I have the really wide strips, and sometimes it's really nice to have that 1-inch strip because you can just do so much with it. And being that you got 30 feet of it, that's very handy. So what we'll do, we'll just start putting the stuff over on this side. Let's see what we got here. What is this? This is I'm assuming this is a knife. Oh yeah, okay, it's plastic. Still cool though. Like a very, very Jurassic Parky of a little knife, a little blade there. Very, very much velociraptor-y. Yeah. The only reason why I'm saying that, guys, is because I just literally went back and watched the first Jurassic Park movie. You know, when old Dr. Grant was holding the claw like this, saying, you know, oh, hey, man, this raptor will cut you up. You know, I don't know. I just remember that. Sorry about that. But yeah, let's see. Let's go to our information card here. And it says the Hunter's Raptor Claw. Well, there you go. They actually call it a Raptor Claw. Let's see. The knife itself is made of a 440C steel. Okay, but the handle is ABS plastic. Okay, I'm about to say, I knew that felt like plastic. That felt like plastic. So the handle is plastic, but the actual blade part here of the talon is actually 440C stainless that just is coated. Hopefully that'll show up. You can see it just has a cool little coating. So yeah, this is actually a cool knife. I don't personally, and you guys, if you've watched any of my other unboxings, you know, especially ones that I get knives in, you know, like most people, I do have very particular taste in knives. But, you know, I'm not against a knife like this, but for me, especially if it's going to be like a multi-purpose knife, I would just rather have a straight blade, not this, you know, really sweeping curve. So that's just me, but it's still a very cool knife, and I do appreciate getting it. It will not go to waste. All right, so the next thing we got is one of these quick cord, you know, little organizer things. You put your paracord in it, and you feed it through the little hole on the top, and basically you can just pull your paracord out, and it does have a little thing here where you can cut it on the top right here. It has a little thing that you can just loop it through, and it has a blade on it, and you can cut it. And basically what it does, it keeps your paracord from being all knotted up in your bag and everything. You can put it in this, you can load it in this, and it won't get all knotted up. It won't turn into a big old ball like, you know, an extension cord. And they also give you a 6-inch snap light, which is kind of good. So a lot of campers out there, you'll know that snap lights are very, very useful. And because I do get so many subscription boxes, this has been an item that I think I have maybe 2 of these. So, you know, which again, that's okay. Not gonna knock it. All right, so we have a Defender pistol light, 800 lumens by Bravo 8, and I will say that I have no experience with Bravo 8. Let's see where this is on the card. Okay, it's the Defender by Bravo 8, and here it is, guys. If you wanna take a look. She only weighs 52.7 grams. It is a Cree LED, which is good. It has 3 light modes. Has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. All right. All right. So for all of us gun guys out there that have a rail on the bottom of our pistol or our carbine, you can put this little light on there. This has a micro USB charging port. That's cool. Oh, here's a compatibility guide. It says pretty much from Glock 17 up to Glock 32, Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. Do a SIG 226, 229, P320. It'll do an HK VP9SK. It'll do a CZP10C, which I have. And it'll do a Ruger SR9, and I do have a VP9. So I have a VP9 and a CZP10C. I also have a Glock 19. So this will fit multiple pistols that I own. So yeah, good deal. All right. Like I said, don't have a whole lot of experience. That's what the comments section is for. If you have any experience with that particular light or that company, Bravo 8, hit sound off in the comments section and let me know what you think about it. If it's good, if it's junk, you like it, you hate it. All right, what have we here? This is a vest. This is a vest, but what kind? Is it a plate carrier? It's just a tactical vest. Okay. Okay, not bad, not bad. Let me back up here. Okay, so this is the back. We do have a good pull handle, and it looks like it is either double, or I don't have my glasses, it's either double or triple stitched, which I love, because if you buy, if you buy tactical harnesses or, MOLLE, harnesses like this, a lot of times the neck grab right here will just, you're not going to pull somebody, if you need to get somebody out of danger and you grab them by this to move them. I mean, I've seen some of these, man, they'll rip apart, So this one does have some really, really good stitching. Let's see how close I can get. And it's just a little nitpick of mine. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah, it looks really good. Got a lot of MOLLE. I do like having the Velcro MOLLE. That just gives you a lot of versatility if you're going to run. Because like I said, I do have a lot of friends that are ex-military, retired military, and a lot of them were special operators, and they give me all kinds of scenarios that they were in, or just for setting up your gear for whatever whatever zombie reconnaissance action that you're going to be doing. But yeah, the front rig is good. Got a lot of MOLLE. I like this, that you can actually put this, you can clip it into your existing belt system on your pants. So yeah, this is good. Let's see what I do like that. It's not a plate carrier though, guys. So it's not a plate carrier. It is just going to be a rig to carry stuff. And let's see, it's called a TAC vest, new version. Okay, they didn't put a whole lot of thought into what they were going to call this thing. 1000D, military grade nylon. All right, we like that. That's what we want to see. Oh, come on, man. Combat assault shooting paintball airsoft. Man. What about just general LARPing? Because I like to run around my range with all this stuff on. And I do go to a private range, not a public range. So just keep that in mind. Don't get all tacked up and go to a public range. You're going to get a lot of looks and you may get the law called on you. Okay, so that's really the skinny on that. And we got, the Velcro adjustable straps. We do have some plastic D-rings on the shoulder straps, and they are plastic, but that's okay. So yeah, this thing seems like it will get the job done. 1000D, can't really ask for much more than that. Let's see what we got here. Possibly a radio pouch. It does have a wheat pole on the bottom of it, and yeah, this seems like it's a radio pouch. Is this a radio pouch? Yes. Yep, this is a radio pouch, right? Does it have a... I don't know. Okay, we got one little pouch here. It does have MOLLE all the way around it. It does have 2 straps with snaps. It does have your bungee corded retention. So this could be a radio pouch. I just made a guess to think it. Okay, and this here looks like this is an administrative pouch. Let's see. Wow, this stuff is not in order. Okay, so one of them is a utility. Wow, how many pouches do we have in here? All right, let's put this on the floor. All right, okay, so that's it. Okay, so I'm assuming that this is also the same kind of, this is the same kind of pouch as this. So this is, it looks to me like a radio pouch because my radio would fit in this, but you could put, of course, you can put whatever you want in it. So you got 2 of these pouches. Then we have just a, man, what would you call this? This should just be a regular, well, let's see. And what I'm seeing on here, it said there's okay. Oh, here's a triple mag pouch. Okay, and they give you a triple mag pouch, which I don't like having my magazines completely covered like this. I would rather have it open with just the bungee retention so that I can just easily pull them out. It's not having to rip something up and then go back into the pouch to get the magazine out. But that's just my opinion. You may have a different opinion, and I don't like it. Well, I guess I do. It's not. I don't really care. I guess it's all right. The MOLLE is really wide, and I've seen pouches like this before that have the MOLLE spread out, and it just makes it much easier to affix this like to your chest rig. If you're going to put this on your chest rig, you can easily get the webbing in. And I know a lot of you guys out there that are combat vets, I know you'll probably have a lot of criticisms about me saying that, but you keep in mind I'm a civilian, so don't criticize me too hard. over my how I do my molly on any of my packs. And this is just a little bag, a little compartment bag. So yeah, it's just a little bag, a little pouch, and it has molly on the front, and it's pretty stout, you know. Okay, so we got that, we got those two, and then we have this. I'm going to go ahead and take a wild stab here and say this is an administrative pouch, because it has a big Velcro pad over here so that you could stick whatever to it, and then it does have a little smaller compartment right here that you would put, you know, obviously smaller items in, duh. But yeah, so I would say this is kind of a more administrative type pouch. And obviously it does have a little pocket right here. So yeah, and it does have your spread apart molly attachments on the back. So in ClubTac, for the, what I say this was, a premium subscription, we got this pouch, we got two of the small pouches, we got the one regular size, bigger compartment pouch, and we got a triple mag holder. We got this really cool chest rig, which I'm gonna tell you, every time I grab it, I really like it. Although it's not a plate carrier, and that's okay, because when I train, sometimes even with lighter ceramic plates, all of you veterans out there have just as much respect as I can give, because I've ran around with 2 steel plates on my range, and yeah, I can't imagine you poor guys that had to hump those things every day. So, mad respect to all of you. So we got the Bravo light, we got the Gorilla tape, we got the Raptor knife, and we got the quick cord. Okay, so that's what we got in this. I'm assuming, like I said, I'm pretty sure this was a premium. This was around $124 a month plus shipping and handling. What do you guys think? Sound off in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Do you think this was worth it? Do you like any of the gear in here? Have you had any experience with any of this? Well, I'm pretty sure you guys have got combat rigs, but the knife, the Bravo 8 tape, yeah. And depending how good quality the chest rig is, yeah, I would say it's definitely worth 124 bucks, because then things can get really, really pricey. So that's all I have. You will have subscribe, next video, and sound off in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. I love getting your feedback. I love reading all of your comments, and thank you very much if you made it this far to hear me ramble. I greatly appreciate it, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.